Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use the Proficonf Files bin. Go to the Files section of the Events page. Select the files you want to delete by ticking boxes around them. Click the Move to Bin button. The files will be deleted in the Files bin, where they will be stored for 30 days, after which they will be automatically deleted. To remove or restore files that you may have moved to the trash at random, press the Files bin button. In the Files bin section, select the files you want to delete. Click the Delete button to completely delete the files. If you want to restore files, click the Restore button. Files will be restored and moved to the Files section. To go to the Files section from the Files bin section, press the Files button on the Events page. Important information: the amount of files that have been deleted in the Files bin is included in the total size of your file storage. In order to clear the storage space, you need to delete unnecessary files in the Files bin section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. You'll find all links below the video.